The lace base might be contaminated with grease, dirt, or other residues that act as a barrier, preventing the tape from adhering effectively. Some base materials are naturally very smooth, which makes it difficult for adhesive tapes to form a strong bond. Using low-quality or expired tape can compromise adhesion, leading to an unreliable bond that may fail quickly. Environmental factors, such as extreme temperatures or high humidity, can reduce the stickiness and overall effectiveness of the tape. Gently clean the base using a mild cleaner to remove any grease, dirt, or residue. Let it dry completely before applying the tape. For overly smooth surfaces, use fine grit sandpaper to lightly roughen the base. This will help the tape adhere more securely. Opt for premium adhesive tape designed specifically for lace bases. Ensure the surfaces are clean and dry, and press firmly to create a solid bond while eliminating air bubbles. Work in a controlled environment with temperatures between 18 and 25, and humidity levels of 40-60. Adjust the conditions as needed to enhance adhesion. Visit our website or follow us on social media for more professional tips and tricks to elevate your hairstyling game.